you are. You ready?
Ready?
They're pretty fast.
Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
On Backyard Shenanigans, BS Mike here. Tonight we're at the racetrack. About to do a little racing. Just how we like it here. Immokalee Raceway. Of course, it's the spot to be tonight. We got Cool Whip over here. Looking beautiful. Actually, she's looking terrible. I'm halfway through sanding her. And you know, she's coming along, but racing does not wait for you to finish your paint job, so it's okay. But so tonight I'm racing Tom Zawiza for the number 4 spot on the daily, or not the daily list, but the top 10 small tire list. And then I think we have a little bit more racing going on for the list, maybe get a little grudge action going on, but and if I win, I think I'm gonna go for the number 3 spot next. So we'll see if they're all out here. So stick around, should be a fun night of racing.
Right side, Mike Kurtz on the left. All right, they're going door handle to door handle down the strip. Looks like the left side. Kurtz got there first.
There we go.
See it bouncing around.
That motherfucker's rolling now, baby. Now we're talking. Holy shit. Dude, we went sideways at about 100 and something, I guarantee you that. I'm guessing 110. Enough to make your ass buck, I tell you that. Lord have mercy. Alright guys, so first test pass did not go good. We spun immediately off the hit. We spun all the way down the track. It was crazy. It was the craziest ride I've ever been on in my life. I'm just kidding, it wasn't that crazy. But second test pass was much better. We dropped the tire pressure down to 13 PSI. I redid the shocks, and so I screwed them all the way loose, and then 3 clicks tight. So I don't even know what it does, but you know, it's doing something. But whatever I did worked. So second pass, we had a pretty good time. So let me see here. Actually, it's the best I've had at Immokalee too, so that's pretty good. Check it out here. Oh, here's the first pass. You can see here. I went 770 at 102. It's silly. 18960 foot terrible. And where's that other one? Here we go. There we go. There's the one we want to see. Let's see here. Went 653 at 109 to 1560. So not bad. Definitely making some improvements. So hopefully we got enough for old Tom tonight. I'm gonna go see what he's doing. So unfortunately, Tom number 4 has been presented with an oil leak this evening, so he's not gonna be able to get smoked by Cool Whip. I mean race Cool Whip is what you know what I'm saying. Hey, get out of here with that. Look at this fancy camera. So Robert over here, number 3 on the list, small tire, Florida, top 10.
The third fastest in the market.
I'm calling.
Big dog. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. You know what? I can't even talk shit. You beat me our first night.
Mike wants to be 0-2 against the big dog.
I don't care. I went 6:53.
Oh, okay. You guys will be like.
It's gonna be a good race. It'll be a good race.
The
So
big dog.
He just went 650 as well, so it'll be like.
it'll be a good race.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I'm about to put Cool Whip on some pumpkin pie.
On a
and
humble
eat that
pie
bitch.
diet.
All right.
Yeah.
But
Put you on a
Cool Whip
diet.
on some pumpkin pie. He gonna eat it. He gonna eat the smoke. All right. No.
Tail lights are gonna know what real tail lights look like.
What do you think, Mom?
I don't know.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready, Robert?
I've been ready. I've been born for this day.
Ready, Ty? Tom?
Here's what it is.
We'll run it back whenever you're ready.
I'm gonna call out Mike Corleone. What's his name? Carswell, Sinister,
He's not even on the
Sinister.
Yeah, he's right down there.
I know. I'm just joking. He just drove by.
No.
I got nothing for that.
Oh, there he went over
I
there.
got nothing for that S9. I got nothing.
It's not.
Here, the KMR Mustang and Cool Whip. Right side Cool Whip with the hit. Right side Cool Whip taking it to the stripe.
Look, yeah, first W for Cool Whip, I think, on the list. Right on, baby, hell yeah. Good race, Robert, man. There's a rip. There's a rip.
Whip. There he is. Mike Kurtz. They'll both be looking at the pro. Whip. Both be looking at the pro.
Little nerve-wracking, huh? You ready? Here we go. Alright, we're racing a GTR. You ready?
Ready?
They're pretty fast. They'll both be looking at the pro. What'd you think, baby? Hey, was that something fucking special or what? You okay?
Yeah,
What do you think, baby? Did you like it? It's, it's pretty intense, isn't it? It's fucking gnarly, right? Has a good pass, too. I'm so happy you got to ride with me. What you think we ran? We shook the tires a little bit, but I stayed in it and it pushed through. Oh man, was that tight or what? It really sticks you in the fucking seat, huh? It's like, oh shit. Thank you. Appreciate it. We went a 670. Well guys, we had an awesome night of racing. Cool, made like 4 or 5 passes, I think. Tom broke, so he gave me a spot, and then I raced Robert for the number 3 spot, and I won. He didn't have a good pass though, so we're gonna run it back. But I'm still number 3. I don't know. I told him he wanted to race tonight. I said, Gene is here, man. Yeah, Gene is here. Yep. Yeah, look, you look at big old Eugene. He is here right now. But anyways, Robert wanted to race tonight, but I made another pass. I took Veronica for a ride in the car. That was her first time in the car. By the way, Veronica, what do you think?
It was terrifying.
It was terrifying.
So scary.
Oh man,
It was really cool.
It was pretty bitchin', right?
It was so scary.
I was just so happy to be able to take her for a ride finally. Like this whole time, first time in the car ever. I buckled her in, we got a helmet, a fire jacket on, we sent it. So went 670 on that pass. Went 659, personal best at Immokalee. Overall, just a great night. Guys, thanks for watching, dude. Slam down the subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next video.